Sunshine Nation, what's up guys? Today, I'm gonna show you my inner Michael Phelps. Guess what? Today, we're gonna be swimming in the swimming pool, racing. I already got my racing goggles on for swimming and my racing cap. So, why you must be wondering why it's so loud? It's because it's a tropical storm in Florida right now. And we're gonna go swimming in the tropical storm, in a tropical storm race in the tropical building. We're gonna swim to the end of the pool and back, like the Michael Phelps race, like he does in the Olympics. I sometimes watch his events.
But what about Jaden? Does he get a head start?
No, because I'm swimming with one hand, because I'm gonna be both GoProing with this hand.
Tyson? What about Tyson?
Tyson, he's slow.
No, he's
the kid's dog.
Tyson's fast.
Look at how full the pool is. The tropical storm is really filling it up a lot. The rain is coming down. It's really heavy and it's freezing. Like it's cold. It's like 30 degrees maybe. This is the first tropical storm to hit Florida in the month of November since like 30 years ago or something.
It's a big deal.
It's a large deal. Hey guys, I'm ready. What's up, Sunshine Nation? Mom here. What's up, Sunshine Nation? Kayla here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started in here. Say, don't be shy. Put some more.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, guys, you ready? You don't want to put me in. I'll put you on the camera. I'll go doing Bella and you go Bella, okay? Okay. Hold the camera.
Don't get it wet, Jordan. No, you gotta hurry. Ed, go in with her, Jordan, please, go! Just do it, Jordan! Go! Do it, Jordan! Go! Do it, Jordan! Yeah! What did he just do? Oh my gosh, did he really just do that? Kayla! Kayla! That was so mean.
That was so mean.
We are just innocent helpers in this video. Kayla's holding the umbrella. I'm the videographer. Revenge will be coming.
Definitely.
We don't usually encourage revenge, but in this situation,
It's necessary.
it is necessary. Revenge is coming to this young man. Okay, you have to swim with just your legs.
This is torture device.
Jaden, you get to use your arms and legs. They only get to use their legs.
Wait. On your mark. Get set.
Oh my God.
How are you gonna wait for one to say no?
Kayla knows.
They don't wait a minute.
I am on Kayla's side forever and ever.
They do not wait a whole minute.
Kayla.
On your mark. Get set.
Go, JJ, go! Get him, baby! Get him! Tyson's just walking. He's I'm moving! Can't believe he threw you in. I am Jordan winning, dang it!
They're coming fast for me. Who do they think I am? Look at them. This kid's dog. Good job, guys. You were good competitors. That was really easy. Way too easy.
Jordan, explain the game.
So the game is Jaden's gonna be in the middle of the pool with that thing around him, and then Tyson and I are gonna come from the back, I guess.
Oh,
Get
get
in
him.
the middle. I'll be on one side. He'll be on the other.
Oh, good idea. Okay.
And then we have to get Jaden and get in the tube
Oh, we have to
with
get
Jaden.
him to the other side. It's like capture the flag.
Oh, to your side.
Jaden's the flag.
You have to go to the center.
I have to get him.
Oh,
I have to get Jaden.
Go to the center, Jaden. Whoever gets Jaden to their side. Kayla, start it for him.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
He loves this. You have to get in there with him. Who's gonna get in there with him?
Move away from that.
in Tropical Storm Etta.
No hitting!
I don't hit anymore.
That was a dirty look, I know. He's like, that's what we do is hit. Oh my gosh, Tyson is winning! Tyson is winning! He has crossed the barrier of the middle line. Jaden, you want Jordan to win? Jaden, you can't play favorites. You can't play favorites. Oh, go Tyson, you're released. He's getting tired. In the ring, you have to be in the ring on that side. Get him out, Tyson! Get Jordan out!
Oh, he's in it. Are we done?
Somebody has to be a winner. Anticlimactic if you just tied. Somebody has to get Jaden in that with him.
Jaden? Yeah, why did you in it? Why did you get out?
You told me to get out!
I didn't tell you to get out.
Yes, you did!
No, I didn't.
Wait, how about Tyson? Come on, let's touch it. Ah! We win. You lose. Ah!
Jaden, go jump on him.
Jump on them, Jaden! Get him!
Get him! Get him! Jump on him! Go! Do it! Just
Slide on bottom. Ow, mosquito bit.
I just got one on me too, right then.
911, what's your emergency? I'm being dragged.
Hurry, Tyson! Jaden, get in there with him! You gotta have a winner! Hurry, Jaden, get in there!
No!
Go! Jaden, hurry! Jaden, hurry! Get over there! Hurry! Oh my gosh, it's gonna be over! Hurry! Run!
I say he wins because he was already on that side.
He's on that side with Jaden.
Ha ha ha! This kid's a dog. He's a loser.
So, Jordan,
I won the championship because I'm just like that.
that's not true. Try again.
I lied. A lot of time. Tyson and Jaden won. Tyson, I ran over there to get him, and then I fell into the pool and got dragged. And then he ran all the way down there, and he put it around Jaden. I don't think Jaden wanted to play though.
Jaden was done.
And I know.
Bro, how did you
there's a
fall
hole
in
in
the
it.
pool over there. I just curled up and you fell in.
It's like in the football game.
Yeah.
But I know in the last video I said I would post that week again. I lied a lot of time. But this is now a video for you guys. Don't forget to stay strong and spread sunshine.
Okay, go over there with Jordan. Tyson and Jordan have to swim with just their legs, no arms.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
This is age I was swimming faster than I am now.
Okay, so explain the game, Jordan.
All right, stop. Shit, we're gonna fall.
You can go like that and explain the the game. Come over here though, the lighting is better. You're gonna break it. Come over here. Okay.